Before we move on, I just wanted to throw this little bonus in there for some people that may not know. I mean, I know it, but you don't. And the whole purpose of this is for me to teach you what I know. So if you do want to go for that Kanye thing, or if you actually do want to speed it up more so than the tempo, you can actually transpose it, in which is located right here to the right. So this is what the sample sounds like. Oh, okay. Well, sorry. This is what the sample sounds like. As you already know, we're going to transpose it up. I like that. Now, the way this works, this moves in semitones, okay? So it's just like it is on the piano. You know, 3 semitones is a minor third, and 4 semitones is a major third. But you always want to keep it from the 3, 4, or you want to go 3, and then from here I will go to 5, and then from here I will go to 7. You know, I will keep it with odd numbers, you know, just because that's just the way it sounds. It just sounds better that way for, you know, musical reasons. But you'll see what I'm talking about. See, it throws it off, but 5. Go to 7. Yeah. Go to 11. 9. Oh, okay. I forgot. Okay. Got a little attitude and a problem there, boy. Yeah. Ghostface. Shut your face. So yeah, before you know it, you're gonna be sounding like a goddamn chipmunk and shit. Chipmunk orchestra with crickets and shit. So you wanna I like the way it sounded around 7. Let me see. What I say? Yeah. All right. So yeah, we're gonna go there. So I'm gonna replace this with what I've already done, because I like that sound. It sounds a little bit more, you know, for the sound that I'm going for. Just trying to move over here to the machine without tearing my damn studio apart. And you just want to go to sampling. And once you go to sampling, you want to go to edit. And then from there, you can just pretty much edit what it is that you want. I thought it is. Same thing right here. So I wouldn't have to lay it out over 16 pads, but we got it pretty much in there the way that we can get in there and play around with it. The next thing that you want to do is you want to hit the apply button. Let's go ahead and hit Control Z. That's not what we wanted to do. Go back into the sampling mode, and you want to hit apply to. I'm sorry, right here, by hitting this button here, you want to hit apply to, and then you just find a separate group. This is the easiest way to lay it out. You know, just say group E, boom. And then what it's going to do is going to give you a few seconds here, and then when you go here to E, it's already laid out for you. Cool. So you want to come in here, you want to delete all of these, because, you know, if you hit play, it's just going to do it that way. And now your sampler is your new instrument. Now you can take this and you can do pretty much anything you want to do with it. Rule of thumb: before you do any of this stuff that I told you, the first thing you need to do is go in here and change the polyphony and add your choke group. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this for every one because I didn't do it the first time. So you do it like that because you want it to cut off. All right. Metronome would be nice. Now we got that in there. Then we just want to go here and we want to lay down the change up. Right, same thing, repeat the same process. This is only 4 bars. And I'm going to show you. Now, before we start assigning this stuff to these different cells, we just assign it a lower the polyphony to 1 and then assign it to a choke group. So it'll cut off whenever you hit another pad. And go into edit mode. And then from here, actually, we can just go into slice. We don't have to edit anything. That seems to be in there pretty nice. Let's check it out. Wow, why does the metronome keep turning off? I missed it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and there it is. Probably sounds very close to the same. And then from here, you just want to go to your drums and see what you can lay down real quick. Kind of hard to talk in. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a quick little sequence of how we want this to go.